Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing AirPods Pro. We see some paper at the top of the box. Then, AirPods Pro and wireless charging case. Bottom of the box we get a Lightning 2 USB-C cable. And silicone ear tips. First of all, remember to keep Bluetooth on, and then, open the lid of AirPods Pro. A pop-up will come to your phone. Tap on Connect. Then, hold down the button on the back of the AirPods Pro. Now, release the button. Then, connect it. And see cool animation. Then, some instructions will appear. And then, whenever you open the lid, it will automatically connect.